Paytm Payments Bank, mandated by the Reserve Bank of India, will cease operations such as accepting deposits, processing credit card transactions from tomorrow. Ritu, who's been following this story now closely, joins in with more. Ritu.
Well, tomorrow is that big deadline for Paytm Payments Bank to wind down its banking activities as per RBI directions. So now the focus really shifts on how the linked businesses get impacted or how they pivot. And we've been given to understand that the National Payments Corporation of India, or NPCI, is likely to grant Paytm a third-party application provider or TPAP license very soon. It is expected later tonight, but no later than the 15th March deadline. That is going to allow Paytm to continue allowing its customers to use the app to make UPI payments. Now, so far, Paytm's UPI transactions, if you recall, were handled by Paytm Payments Bank alone, but now the UPI handle, which is currently at Paytm for users, will be migrated to other banks once it gets this license. We had also reported this earlier that Yes Bank, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank and SBI are among the 4 banks that are likely to come on board as payment service providers, or PSP, which means these PSPs will facilitate electronic payment transactions between various parties that use the Paytm app. Now, Paytm has already moved the nodal account to Axis Bank to help settle these UPI payments, and it is also in talks with other banks. Remember, the payment services that forms more than 60% of Paytm's revenue stream as of FY23. So it is an important segment that will be protected with this TPAP license. If you look at Paytm's UPI operations, it is the 3rd largest app for UPI payments, and as per NPCI data, they processed 1.41 billion out of 12 billion transaction volumes in the month of February alone. So we're talking about a close to 12% share. But as far as the banking activities are concerned, we've been given to understand from our sources that RBI is not inclined to change its stance, and so any further relief is unlikely.